Video, we will learn how to fix product activation failed in MS Word. For this, go to this PC, click on C drive, go to program files, you have to Microsoft Office, simple Microsoft Office or Microsoft Office with a version. You have to click on simple Microsoft Office. Click here, go to Office 16, then you have to find this file osprm.exe, this file. Select this file, right click on it, run as administrator. Again select this file, right click on it, run as administrator. Repeat this step 3 times. After selecting this file, run as administrator 3 times, your Microsoft Office activation failed error will be solved. That's all in this video, guys. If you like my video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel.